Where'd you get the cookies?
At the open house. Were we not supposed to do that?
Yeah.
Hey, stop and get some milk if you can. Buying a home in California is an incredible feeling, but it can be complicated. That's why I'm hitting the road to show you how it's done with a couple of house hunters and their trusted advisor, a California realtor. I am Steve Trevino, and welcome to Are We Home Yet?
Where'd you get the cookies?
At the open house. Were we not supposed to do that?
Yeah.
Hey, stop and get some milk if you can. Buying a home in California is an incredible feeling, but it can be complicated. That's why I'm hitting the road to show you how it's done with a couple of house hunters and their trusted advisor, a California realtor. I am Steve Trevino, and welcome to Are We Home Yet?
So today is the big day. Let's go find ourselves a home.
Look, if you guys have any questions, just ask me and I will ask Alberto here. Mira, Alberto, yo te voy a decirte en español porque ellos no hablan español.
Oh, Steve, you know I speak English, right? Pero hablo español también.
Perfecto, ¿ves? When do you guys plan on moving?
This afternoon if we could.
No, seriously, we're just so ready to start this new chapter of our lives.
We need more space.
And we may be expecting a new family member.
Oh my God, we just met and you're already calling me family? I love you guys.
We'll get to the finish line with the keys and the champagne as quickly as possible, just one step at a time.
True, true. We are just ready to get out of our place.
Well, don't worry, when we get there, I'll start packing up the kitchen. They won't have a choice.
And who knows, maybe you can make an offer today and it'll close way faster than you thought. All you two have to do is stay cautiously optimistic.
Optimistic is the way I feel when I try on pants, guys.
You guys are gonna love what they've done with the kitchen. Plus, there's a spare bedroom that's ready to make all your own.
Oh, all right now, Alberto. I'm loving the sound of this. Man, if we get outbid on this one.
Let's not get too ahead of ourselves, guys. Getting outbid is a possibility, but remember, you could be the ones doing the outbidding as well. The good thing is we don't have all our eggs in just this one basket. And I'm gonna support you guys the whole way.
All right, so what are you guys waiting for? Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's
go.
Ahora.
Let's hope they have snacks, milk specifically.
My passion is being a California realtor. There's nothing better than seeing the face of a couple when they're matched with their dream house.
I'm so excited. Yes, I found a spot for my bobbleheads. Right here, there's plenty of room. It's about 6 feet. It's perfect.